Children of Standard 4, we have been discussing about animals and their young ones. In my previous classes, I discussed about the two ways of reproduction in animals. And we discussed about animals are divided into two groups. One group that lay eggs, and the second group that give birth to babies. So till now we studied about all animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to babies. Animals such as birds, frogs, fish, insects and reptiles lay eggs, and an egg has a hard outer shell, a yellow portion in the center called yolk, and a white watery substance that is called albumin that surrounds the yolk. So children, we can give one word answer. The process of producing young one is called reproduction, and the part of it that protects embryo from the shocks and jerk, the part of the portion of the egg that protects the embryo is called albumin. An animal that lay eggs, you can tell birds, reptiles, fish, and a growing baby inside the egg is called embryo, and the process by which the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out of it is called hatching. So for today's topic of discussion is life cycle of a hen. So children, you can see this life cycle diagram. So from egg to an adult hen. So first of all, as we discussed in my earlier classes, that the female birds lay eggs in their nest. The hen lay eggs in their nest, and they build their nest by using different kinds of twigs, pieces of old cloth, grass and leaves. And one of the parent bird, mother hen, warms the egg. This process is called incubation. So once the embryo inside the egg is completely developed, during the incubation period, a chick prepares to come out of the egg. So you can see the hard outer shell protects the egg. The yellow part present in the center of the egg is called yolk, and it contains a bright white spot that develops into a baby, as we discussed earlier, and the white part of the egg called albumin surrounds the yolk. But what is this is when the mother hen warms the egg. First they lay eggs, and the mother hen warms the egg. One of the parent can sit on the egg for warming the eggs, and this process is called incubation. And in this incubation period, all kinds of development of metamorphosis happen, and in order to come out of the egg, the chick breaks the egg, as we see in this diagram. Chick breaks the shell, and this is called as hatching. So there are two processes, children. The first is incubation, laying eggs, incubation by keeping the eggs warm, and then the breaking of the egg shell that was protecting the egg, and by breaking the eggshell, chick hatches out. So this is called hatching, and the young chick grows to become an adult. This is a small baby chick, and this is an adult hen. So the parent birds look after their chicks until they can look after themselves. So children, in our previous classes, we studied about the parental care in birds are of very great importance, because we can see the parental care of high level in case of mammals, and here also birds in case of apes, or you can say the birds, they are really taking care of their babies, and when the chick comes out of the egg, mother bird or the parent bird are looking after the bird and making them learn how to take their nutrition, how to fulfill their nutritional need. So they train their babies, and after some time, so till then the parent are always there to help and to protect their babies and the eggs. So this is all about the life cycle of an egg. So here I want to summarize. Once they lay eggs, the eggs are incubated by any of the parent, and then the all kinds of metamorphological development happen inside the egg. As we see, the yolk grows into an embryo, and the albumin supports and protects the embryo, and then when the chick are ready to come out, the eggshell breaks down and the chick hatches out, and the chick grows outside of the egg, and then it becomes an adult egg. So this is all about the life cycle goes on.